Hello everyone and welcome to Tripp's art class. Today we are talking about the cylinder. So the cylinder is a form, and that means it is a 3D shape. So what I want you to do today is just go ahead and follow along with me, and we're going to draw some cylinders. So first of all, to draw a cylinder, we need to, just like when we're drawing the other forms or when we drew the cube, we need to find a vanishing point. So I'm going to go ahead and begin just by putting a vanishing point right here. That's going to be where the cylinder goes to. And then what I'm going to do right here is I'm just going to sketch out like an oval. It doesn't have to be perfect. Keep your lines loose. Okay, see how loose these lines are? And then I'm going to draw from the sides of the oval. I'm going to draw some lines going to that vanishing point. And then somewhere I'm going to close it by replicating this line right here, right here. So I'm going to recreate that curve. I'm going to take my eraser out of its case, and I'm going to erase those guidelines. And then I have a cylinder. Now once again, the cylinder is a 3D shape, which we call form. And let's see here, maybe it's darker in here. We can even add some shading. And that's the cylinder. So in this way, the way we drew it with the vanishing point over here, you can tell which way it's kind of facing. You can tell it's going this way, and we can see a little bit on the inside of it right there. So a real simple way to do it. Let's go ahead and do another one. This one we will make the vanishing point maybe down here. Down here. So this time I'm going to make the oval maybe a little bit bigger. Maybe about that big. So what I like to do is turn my paper to help me get the curves that I really want. Okay. That's good enough for now. And then I'm going to have this cylinder be going towards this vanishing point. So the outside lines will be coming to it like that. And then I'm going to close it off right here. So I'm going to replicate this line right here, right here. And I'll take my trusty kneaded eraser. Because I don't like eraser dust all over my drawing table. And do that. So you can see here, maybe I want to kind of give it like a, make it look a little bit more like it's a bowl or something. There we go. So there's a cylinder as well. Now both of these are cylinders, but they look different because the vanishing point is going different directions, and this one here is a lot longer than this one. This one's really short. Okay. So cylinders are important for drawing a plethora of things. I mean, this could be a number of things right here. This could be a number of things. It could be like a dog bowl. You know, maybe this is a little dog's water. Okay. Let's go ahead and draw some more. We'll go ahead and change the vanishing point around. This time I'll put the vanishing point this way. So the vanishing point's over there, and I'm going to draw an oval facing this way. Now notice the sketching for me. I'm super relaxed. It doesn't look good at first, but I'm just gonna keep sketching. I guess, I could really focus and make it look a lot better the first time. But what I'm trying to demonstrate to you guys is I want this to be a relaxing activity. I want sketching and drawing to be very relaxing to you. Okay, here we're gonna have it, let's do this. Let's switch this up. I'm gonna change the vanishing point. I'm gonna change it on you. let's put it way back here. Look at that. Can you see that? Way back there. Okay. So when you're dealing with vanishing points this far, you really have to focus on that vanishing point. Or you can just use a ruler. We'll do that, and then I'll just I'll make this one a little bit longer. So I'll replicate this line right here, right here. Okay. I'll take my trusty kneaded eraser. Erase that, and there is my cylinder. So cylinders are not super hard to draw. There you go. And you can see that one. So what I want you guys to get is that you can draw cylinders going all different ways, and you can change it around just by putting your vanishing point. We have our vanishing points in different directions. So when you draw a cylinder, just like when you draw a cube, think about your vanishing point and think about what direction is your cylinder facing. Now, rarely would you be looking at your cylinder perfectly like straight on, because if you did, you might just see a circle or a rectangle. Most of the time when we see things in real life, we see them at angles. And that's why we draw things towards the vanishing point, because that is how we see things in real life. And if we want to make things believable in our artwork, we have to, in a way, have them replicate real life. So I want you guys to draw these cylinders in your sketchbook, get that practice in, do a few more, switch around the vanishing points to different areas and practice drawing those as well. And that is it. I will catch you guys later.